we would like to give a special thanks to Moose for providing us with these toys. Today on Unbox Daily, we are taking a look at Shopkins Mini Packs, Collector's Edition Shopkins. This is a new look for Shopkins blind boxes. The blind box itself looks like food packaging. We first saw this at Toy Fair this year, and I was super excited about it because they look so cute. Look at this. It is a loaf of oven fresh bread, and that is actually the box for the Shopkins. It is inside of the bread. So you're kind of getting two toys in one if you very carefully open it so that you don't destroy the bread. In each mini pack, there is one Shopkin with a collector's stamp. You can see the picture right there. And it tells you which season that Shopkin came from. Some of the packages are plastic and some are paperboard. And we have 36 today to open. Let's see what is inside. This looks like a little box of chocolates. It is made of plastic, so I don't have to worry about tearing this one. Let's see what is in there. Plastic wrapper. Okay, we're gonna open this up and find out which Shopkin is in there. It is Cheeky Chocolate. And if we look on the back, you can see a little medallion. That is the collector's stamp, and it says S1 on it, so we know that this is from season 1. Hey, it was a chocolate box, and we found chocolate inside. Now, I remember at Toy Fair that the Shopkin inside does not always match the packaging on the outside, but it's really cool when it does. In the little box underneath, that is where we will find the collector's card, or collector's list. Catalog, what are they calling it? Sorry, collector's guide. I was wrong a whole bunch of times. And this is pretty long. So there are common, rare, ultra rare, special edition, limited edition, and mini packs. So you can keep track of the mini packs that you find in your collector's guide as well. The finishes are Hot Spot Special Shopkins, Clear Essential Shopkins, and Fantabulous Favorites Shopkins. There is a fruit and veggie collection, takeout, frozen, bakery, limited edition, sweet treats. You can see our little cheeky chocolate right there. Dairy, homewares, pantry, fashion, health and beauty, and cleaning. I want all of the homewares. And as we find our Shopkins, we can check them off on the collector's guide. We got this one and that one. There is another Sweet Treats mini pack. This one is pink. It looks like a box of chocolates still. So we're gonna open it up and see which Shopkin is inside. Maybe it will be another one from the Sweet Treat collection. Let's see. This is Mini Minty, who is from the Sweet Treats collection and from season 2. This is a tart. It looks really cute. You can see the little pan on the side. Now let's see which Shopkin we will find. Is it something else from the bakery? Let's see. So far, I've been doing really good at matching the collections. So, it's a pie. Make that Queen of Tarts. It is rare and from season 3. Let's see what is inside of that bread. This one we are going to have to open carefully because it's made of paper and plastic. There's actually a little tiny hook thingy here that keeps the bag closed, and I want to be able to use it again, so I gotta be really careful. I have the bread out of the bag. Now we can get the little Shopkin out. Bakery, bakery, bakery. I think the bread was bakery. I have to double check the collector's guide. It's the rare fairy crumbs from the bakery from season 1. Now I have to very carefully put the bread back together so I can keep it for my collection. So far, everything has been matching, so let's try out this one. It says rinse and shine. It's from the pantry. So let's see if this is also from the pantry. Remember to open the ones made from paperboard very carefully. And this is... it's Breaky Crunch! From the pantry, Season 1. Cake collection from the bakery with Carrie Carrot Cake, Season 2. Cold and creamy from the Frozen collection. And inside we have Ice Cream Dream, Season 1 from Frozen. Tasty Takeout from the Takeout collection. This is the cutest little box. It's like a Happy Meal box. Okay, I'm gonna be so careful with this. And inside we have Frankfurter, Season 1. Hats of Style from the Fashion collection. I'm gonna guess that this is something from the Fashion collection too. And it is Casper Cap, Season 3. We've opened 9 of our mini packs. And so far, the mini pack and the Shopkin have been in the same collection. Okay, let's just keep going to see if maybe this is actually a thing or if we're just being lucky. Let's try this one. Frosty Favorites from the Frozen collection. And this is made of paperboard, so be careful. Which way do we open it? Oh, from the side. Okay, and inside we have Popsicle Season 1. These two match perfectly. I love all of the detail on the box. Every side has something on it, and if you look really close at the barcode, it says, I love SPK. Shopkins! Candy Fun from Sweet Treats. This is like a little tiny Ziploc, and the Shopkin is in there. There we go. Candy Apple Season 3. Fresh Cakes from the bakery. This is an adorable little cake box. And we have Wishes Season 1. Tasty Spreads from the pantry. Do we have to twist this or just pull it off? Pull it off. And we have Rare Honey Season 2. This is the perfect size for an 18-inch doll. From the Health and Beauty collection, this is the Bath and Beauty Mini Pack. This one is taped in the back, so it might be a little more difficult to close this one up when we're done. Is it something from the same collection? Yes, it is. It's Suds! From the Fruit and Veggie collection, we have a can of mixed vegetables, the mini pack, and I guess the top comes off. Yep, right there. To get out the Shopkin. Corny Cob Season 2. These two are both candy mix mini packs. I am hoping that they are not doubles. Not doubles! Relax, we haven't opened them yet, so we don't know. But there is only one way to find out, so let's go ahead and open them to see. Lollipoppins Season 1 and Rare Candy Cotton Season 1. Woo! They weren't doubles. So now we know that just because the mini pack is the same, it doesn't mean that the Shopkin is the same. Good thing too, because we have 2 squeezed juices right here. You have to open these from the bottom. We have a Rare Apple Blossom Season 1 and an ultra rare Juicy Orange Hotspot Special Shopkins Season 2. We are more than halfway through, and every Shopkin has matched the mini pack. I'm not sure if that's a thing, but it seems like a thing. Here is another fresh cakes from the bakery collection. Cutest little box ever. And it is another ultra rare. Season 3 Cheese Louise Hotspot Special Shopkins. 2 takeout dinner boxes. How cute is this box? I love this. I know I've been saying that about every single mini pack, but they are awesome. This one has Suzy Sushi Season 3, and the other one is Taco Terry Season 3. It says Chef's Choice. I think this is mustard, and it looks like it opens from the bottom. Yep, there's our little Shopkin. Olivia Oil Season 2. Creamy goodness from the dairy collection. I love these little tiny cartons. Our Shopkin is Dollops Fruity Juice. Is this our second one? No, the first ones were squeezed juice, and this is fruity juice. Rare Posh Pear Season 1. Look at all of these little cartons. They are so cute. And we can totally use these in the dollhouse. It's the perfect size for like an 18-inch in their lunchbox. And you can probably use these for your 12-inch dolls. Just say it's family-sized. These little cake boxes are perfect for the dollhouse. I have always been a big fan of mixing my toys. I use Shopkins and Barbie, Littlest Pet Shop, Fresh Dolls, Briars. I'll use them all in the same scene. This is Season 1 Rare Rainbow Bite. And the other one is Choco Lava Season 2. But I never wanted our dolls to look like they were eating Shopkins because they have a face and they're like so cute. That is why I think the mini packs are so perfect. It is doll-size packaging and there's no faces. So I won't feel bad about our dolls having some dairy good, because that was what this was called. Inside we have, I think this is cheese. Cheesy Season 1. Glam Beauty from Health and Beauty. Rare Polly Polish Season 1. Happy Heels from the Fashion Collection, and the little bottom just slides right out there. This is so cool because you can get like a ton of these and use them for your doll shoes. And the Shopkin is a shoe! How perfect is that? Sneaky Sally Season 3. I don't want to make any false statements here, but all of mine are matching. For this one, I have to very carefully pull off a sticker. Fifi Flower Season 2. We are down to the last 5, and I am pretty certain none of these are from Homewares. This is Bakery Fresh with the Shopkin Mary Muffin. This mini pack is soft, like it's just a paper bag. So to help it keep its shape, I'm just gonna put some of the packaging inside so that we don't crush it every time we pick it up. Snap Fresh looks like it's the same way. It's a little tiny pocket, so we'll have to refill that. And the Shopkin is Sweet Pea Season 3. How cute is that? And if you get more of the sweet pea, you can just put them all inside the little bag and it is like a real bag of vegetables. Okay, I'm getting too excited. Let's see what is inside of Crisp Veg. Wild Carrot Season 3. Our last 2 mini packs are Kitchen Essentials and Country Harvest. In Kitchen Essentials, we have Ultra Rare Season 2 Fasta Pasta, which is a hot spot special Shopkins. And in Country Harvest, I'm gonna say it's corn. Cherry Tomato Season 3. This is a fabulous way to celebrate Shopkins Season 10. I love the mini packs just as much as I love the Shopkins. Now, all of our mini packs were from the same collection as our Shopkins. I don't know if that is always going to be true, but I am going to be on the hunt for the Homewares mini packs to try to get the Homewares Shopkins. You know, just in case it's true. And I'll be taking these. Thank you for joining us while we took a look at Shopkins Season 10. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to ring the bell and follow us on Instagram at My Froggy Stuff and the Frog Vlog. And we will see you next time for another Unbox Daily. And that's our collection for now.